Today, I'm doing something a little different, a little unexpected, and perhaps a little bit controversial. I am making Jamaican Ackee ice cream. Now, before you click away, just hear me out. Just hear me out. Today's recipe is one of the most unique recipes I have ever featured on this channel. And it all got started with one of my subscribers to the Chef HUIE'S Culinary Television. A very special shout out to @Eldenora Hunt 273, who suggested that I try making Ackee ice cream. As a culinary innovator, the moment I saw the suggestion, I knew it was something I wanted to explore. So I started developing the recipe. Like many of you, my first thought was Ackee ice cream? Ackee ice cream? I have never heard of that before. When most people think of Ackee, they think of Ackee and Saltfish, the Jamaican national dish. They think of Ackee and fried dumpling, Ackee and green banana. I don't think of Ackee and ice cream. But ackee is one of the most unique fruits in the Jamaican culture. It's one of the most beloved ingredients in our culinary history. But what if I told you that ackee is naturally rich, buttery, almost creamy in texture? It is one of the most unique fruits in the Jamaican and Caribbean culture. And that got me wondering, what would happen if I took this iconic Jamaican ingredient and transform it into something completely different, something sweet, something refreshing, something unexpected? So today, I am combining cooked ackee with coconut milk, Irish mash, aka sea moss, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a few carefully selected ingredients to create a rich, creamy, plant-based ice cream that is rooted in the Jamaican flavor while pushing the boundaries of culinary creativity and innovation. One of the things I love about this community, Chef Huey Culinary Television community, is that we are constantly inspiring one another. Sometimes the best recipes are not always found in a cookbook. Sometimes it comes from conversation, from comments, and from idea we share by viewers and subscribers, just like you. So today, this recipe is dedicated to @Eldenora Hunt 273 and to all of you who is watching this video and supporting this channel. Your creativity, your encouragement, your love and your support, and your love for Jamaican food. Now, the big question is, can Jamaican national fruit become a delicious frozen dessert? Let us find out together. Let us get into this recipe. Welcome back again to Chef HUIE'S Culinary Television, where I bring you plant-based dishes inspired by the rich flavors of Jamaica, the wider Caribbean and international cuisine. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you a unique recipe. I will be showing you how to prepare the Jamaican Ackee ice cream. Now, let's get into the video. So today, guys, we have a very unique and interesting recipe. And I want to say a special thank you to every one of my viewers and subscribers who are watching this video at this time. Now, let's get into the recipe. So, what I got here is 2 cups of ackee. Ackee is fully cooked, it's cold, and I'm going to go ahead and put it into the blender. Next on my list, I have a tablespoon of lemon juice. Another tablespoon of vanilla, 1 full cup of coconut milk, another cup of almond milk, and this is my cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, and I have a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And what I got here is the Irish moss, aka sea moss. Check this out, guys. Now, if you have not seen my video on how I make the sea moss when I was making the Irish moss ice cream, then you need to check that out and you will see exactly how I get this. You boil the Irish moss and it get cold, it becomes naturally like a gelatin. So I just wanted you to see how thick it is, and this is perfect for your ice cream because this will help your ice cream to bind it together and make it nice, thick and creamy. This is your Irish moss gel. At this time, we're gonna drop like a teaspoon of the white rum. Just a drop, just a teaspoon. And later on, we'll do another teaspoon. Now we're gonna blend this ackee with all these ingredients. You just want to scrape down the side and make sure that everything is blended evenly. Okay, you can see already the mixture is a little bit on the thicker side, more creamy than thick, but it's definitely not runny. Very unique flavor and taste, and we're gonna make it into an awesome ice cream, guys. So the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna pour this liquid into our pot. We're gonna bring it to a high temperature. We won't allow it to boil. We don't want it to boil. We just want to make it very hot. After which, when it becomes very hot, we're gonna add our cornstarch to help to bind this ice cream together. And what I got here, guys, is some cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water. I'm gonna mix them together. We're gonna add our cornstarch to the mixture. And we're gonna turn it on. And we're gonna whisk it. And you're gonna see that it's gonna slowly become thicker and thicker. And that's exactly what we want to happen. But most importantly, for you to remember, you do not want it to boil. You do not want it to boil. You want it to become hot enough so the cornstarch can be activated and start getting the liquid thicker. And by extension, when the ice cream starts churning, it's gonna make it nice and thick and creamy. That's the goal here. So as soon as you see it starting to bubble like around the side, that's when you want to keep stirring it. And then that's when you want to lower your temperature down. Now, while the liquid is slowly getting hot, guys, it's a good time for us to pause and take a look at the nutritional spotlight for this recipe. Now, if this is your first time joining Chef HUIE'S Culinary Television, then you would have not known what Nutritional Spotlight is. Nutritional Spotlight is a segment in all of my videos where I take an in-depth and critical look at a specific ingredient or the entire recipe. In this instance, I'm going to take a look at the entire recipe. I'm going to look at the nutrients, the benefits, and any drawbacks. Guys, check it out, the Nutritional Spotlight. about my this video. I hope you find it informative. I hope that you will try this recipe and you will love it. Thank you so much. Guys, at this time, this mixture is hot enough. The cornstarch is activated. The mixture is very thick. It's getting thicker and thicker. When it starts cooling down, it's going to get even more thicker, which is going to make the ice cream nice and creamy. So at this point, I'm going to turn my fire off, and I am going to add my last thing we're going to add is the sweetened condensed milk. Now, in the recipe, it says half a cup of sweetened coconut condensed milk. However, this is very subjective. If you're someone who is staying away from sugar, or you didn't want like sweet too much, you could not use sweetened condensed milk. You could use whatever sweetener you like. I'm just gonna add what is the equivalent of about a half a cup of the sweetened coconut condensed milk. And it looks like this, guys. It's nice and thick. But then we're gonna pour it into our ice cream maker and churn it for about 45 minutes to an hour and make a nice and delicious Jamaican Ackee ice cream. Now it is time to test this ice cream and see how it tastes. Jamaican Ackee Ice Cream. Okay. So we're gonna put some nuts, got some cranberry, dry cranberry craisin, and we got some walnuts. And there you have it, Jamaican Ackee Ice Cream. Chef HUIE'S Jamaican Ackee Ice Cream. I have to admit, when Eleonora first suggests this recipe, I wasn't quite sure what to expect. But after tasting it, I can honestly say this turned out better than I can imagine. The creamy texture of the Ackee ice cream combined with the coconut milk, the Irish mush, the vanilla, cinnamon, and the nutmeg creates a dessert that is smooth, unique, unmistakable Jamaica and the Caribbean. More importantly, this recipe reminds me that food is about exploration. Sometimes the ingredients we have known our entire lives still have surprises awaiting to be discovered. Today's recipe challenged me It challenged us to look at Jamaica's national food in a completely different way. And that is one of the things I love most about cooking. A special thank you once again to at Eldonor Hunt 273 for inspiring today's recipe. Your suggestion gave me, gave us the opportunity to create something truly unique. And that is what makes this community so special. Chef HUIE'S Culinary Television. Now, I want to hear from you guys. Come on now. Drop me some comments in the comment section. Are you going to try this ice cream? Are you going to try Chef HUIE'S Jamaican Ackee Ice Cream? Wow. I cannot describe this taste. All I can tell you, it is unique, it is flavorful, it is tasty, it is nothing unlike anything that I've ever tasted. This is some amazing stuff here, guys. What Jamaican ingredient would you like to see me transform into creative dessert next? Or any recipe for that matter? Leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoy this video, please take a moment to like the video, comment on the video, share the video with a friend or a family member, someone with similar interests like you who will enjoy content like this. Thank you. Thank you for watching.